Installing a commercial on-site solar array is a surefire way to take control of your energy costs, decarbonize your business, and meet your sustainability goals. At the same time, though, facilities managers may be concerned about solar's potential impact on maintenance, warranties, and roof durability. Today, we're addressing those concerns head-on by sharing the facts about solar and how it impacts your roof and warranty. Hi, I'm Angie, and this is Going Solar with Pivot Energy. As experienced commercial solar developers, we're asked about the effects of solar installations on facilities all the time. With hundreds of installations under our belt across the nation, we're here to share the same answers and insights that we give our clients. The first question we are often asked is, how will solar affect my business's maintenance costs? Well, the impact of solar panels on your building's maintenance largely depends on the project's ownership structure. For example, you can purchase your system outright with cash and choose whether or not to include an operations and maintenance plan with the developer. Or you can enter into a third-party power purchase agreement where the solar developer owns and maintains the system, and in exchange, the building owner will enter into a long-term agreement, typically 20 to 25 years, with that solar developer to purchase the energy produced from the system at a per kilowatt-hour rate. This rate includes operations and maintenance throughout the contract term, taking that off the facility manager's plate. But even if you choose to outsource O&M to contractors, you'll be happy to learn that solar maintenance is very straightforward and minor. One of the only annual preventative requirements is to remove debris from the intake vents on the inverters, which does not require electrical training. Depending on your climate, you may occasionally opt to remove snow or dirt from the solar panels, but this is also minor because the daily or weekly reduction in energy output is made up by the annual production of the system. Large, unexpected maintenance costs can also be prevented by regularly monitoring the solar array's data acquisition system, which both your team and the solar developer will be alerted of. Solar panels are extremely durable, designed to withstand the harshest of elements, including storms, snow, and hail. Most developers include a 25-year production warranty, which guarantees that the panels won't degrade more than a fraction of a percent each year. Despite concerns your facility managers may have, the potential costs incurred by maintaining the panels won't stray far from what you already pay to maintain your roof. Plus, the cost savings benefits of solar will heavily outweigh the price of upkeep. Find out how solar panels can actually extend the lifespan of your roof over here. All the videos that I'll mention today are also linked below. And while you're at it, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on our new videos about all things solar energy. Another concern you might have is the impact of solar panels on your roof's warranty. A good roof is a large investment, and it's understandable that you wouldn't want to risk voiding a 10 to 25-year warranty. But rest assured, this does not happen in the vast majority of cases, especially if you hire an experienced developer that can ensure your warranty is maintained. For example, at Pivot, we conduct an audit of your roof before placing any equipment on it. This helps us to understand whether your roof has enough load capacity to take the additional weight of the panels. If your installer sees a possibility of roof damage, they may suggest an alternate installation location at the facility or work with your roofer to make modifications. The roofer will also complete a re-inspection after installation to ensure the warranty is upheld. Ultimately, you can rest easy knowing that the solar installation process will be hands-on and tailored to the needs of your property. This video covers how you can wrap in the installation of a new roof in tandem with your solar array, taking advantage of the generous tax benefits that are offered today. Last but not least, you may be concerned about the durability of your solar panels. Here's the thing. Solar manufacturers are aware that panels are placed out in the open where they're exposed to all different types of weather. As a result, they have been tested and designed to withstand extreme weather events like I mentioned earlier. Of course, there is no way for solar to be 100% indestructible. In severe cases, hurricanes or tornadoes may damage your system, but this is where your system's warranty comes in handy. Solar installations include manufacturer warranties that are usually 20 to 25 years long, and which also generally include workmanship warranties. In the rare instance of damaged equipment, recovery is covered by insurance claims, and an experienced vendor will make the repairs. For more info on what to expect with commercial solar, watch that video, and don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. Partnering with an experienced, holistic solar developer like Pivot Energy is an easy way to make sure your organization's unique needs are met with a customized solar solution. We use high-tech performance tracking tools for our commercial projects and third-party monitoring to catch issues with your system as soon as they occur. With our turnkey services, our solar experts are there with you every step of the way on your road to decarbonization. And even if you decide rooftop solar isn't right for your business, we can still help to meet your goals with an off-site solution, like a VPPA, a community solar subscription, or renewable energy certificates, all of which don't require a roof. Learn more in this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. Are you ready to explore your solar options? Or visit pivotenergy.net. Thanks for watching. See you next time.